गाय, मुर्गियां, मेढक, मछलियां, बतखें और केचुए, ये सब प्राणी वेल्लोर के श्रीनिवासन चंद्रशेखरन के साथी हैं और कचरे से निपटने के उनके काम में कार्यकर्ताओं की भूमिका निभाते हैं। श्रीनिवासन द्वारा बनाए गए वेल्लोर मॉडल में 24 घंटे ये प्राणी खुशी से काम करते हैं। सबका अपना अपना काम भी तय है। कोई नाइट ड्यूटी पे रहता है तो कोई डे ड्यूटी पर। शिफ्ट बदलते वक्त भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती। सुबह होते ही बतखें और मुर्गियां अपने काम पर लग जाते हैं और रात के वक्त मेंढक और केंचुए। कुल मिला के सब गार्बेज को गोल्ड बनाने के काम में लगे हैं, यानी कचरे को जैसे सोने में तब्दील कर रहे हैं।
श्रीनिवासन जी, मुझे बड़ा ताज्जुब होता है कि आप जानवरों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
Actually, they are the specialized for that. No other person can match to them. That's the reason we are using them.
वो कैसे?
We all people know about the cow. We take the milk from the cow. After 4-5 birth, then the cow stops birth. After that, people think it's a waste again because there is no milk. So that is waste. This garbage is another waste. Minus into minus always plus. So match both these people together. And every 4 hours we collect in the bulk generators like vegetable market, all these areas, fresh fruit mandis. So there is a time frame was given by the nature for everything. Before that get destroyed, if you handle it, it is not a waste. It is called raw material. It's called a resource. So the dry cows will be appointed in our project site. For every 35 kilogram of vegetable waste, 1 cattle will be appointed for this job. Its job is to eat the vegetable waste, fresh vegetables, convert into dung and just sleep inside the shed. It's a retirement stage. Within 8 hours time, it will convert the entire volume reduction in 1/4, and also the entire waste, whatever you say kachra, it's converted into cow dung. Once the dung comes out, dung has the value of methane. So what we do is immediately we put it to the biodigester, that is biogas plant.
Right.
Finally, 99% methane-free cow dung slurry will come out. Immediately we can shift to the earthworms.
Right.
It will be eaten by them and just it comes out through the excreta, and that is the material. 100% came from their stomach. That's called vermicast, the world's best manure.
दुनिया की सबसे बेहतरीन खाद।
It's called black gold, droppings of the earthworms. It can be directly shifted into the land. Otherwise, it will take 45 days minimum to get decomposed through the bacterial process. So now, for example, I'm telling you, Monday morning, mom is just chopping the vegetable.
Yeah.
Monday morning, 6 o'clock. 9 o'clock, our garbage vehicle comes and collect it.
Correct.
10:30, we fed to cattle.
Correct.
6 o'clock, we are getting the cow dung ready. Put into the biodigester, cow dung slurry will come out. Immediately, we shift it to the earthworms. Very next day evening or very next day morning, that is less than 72 hours, we have taken the black gold, which is the very fastest process in the world.
Wow.
There is no machine can do this process without any external energy.
Amazing, amazing.
We got the cell phone without charge, totally useless. Technology fails.
Correct.
But cow, it eats everything, convert into energy and giving the energy to us without recharging the cow every day.
और दूसरे जानवरों का इस्तेमाल कैसे होता है? मसलन मुर्गियां क्या करती हैं?
There will be some cattle non-eatable item, like maybe rotten item will come. So we put in the compost bed. So in the compost bed, the maggots will come out.
मैगट्स मतलब वो छोटे-छोटे कीड़े।
Small worms. Chickens' major food is worms and beetles, small. Just they pick everything, convert it to beautiful eggs very next day morning. Those who see like this, oh, this is a worm, sir. The very next day morning, they're eating the omelette in the dam. No technology can do this.
कोई टेक्नोलॉजी, कोई मशीन ये नहीं कर पाएगी।
No machine in the world, if you put all the worms into the machine, then no machine will give the eggs.
बिल्कुल ठीक, बिल्कुल ठीक।
But the chicken will also limited because each and every process there is a positive and negative. For the chicken is negative is it never work in the night time. Even if you keep the chicken in the daytime closed and keep it out in the night time, it never work.
तो रात को कौन काम करता है?
For that we appoint again the frogs. Frogs work only in the night shift. So the night shift and day shift has been involved by the nature again. They balance each other without salary, without forming the union, without asking for bonus, without creating any strike. They do the work.
सही है, सही है। तो मुझे बताइए कि ये बतखें क्या करती हैं?
Duck's favorite food is fish. But the same municipal corporation or municipality, the fish market is stinking. For them, fish is a problem. Here, the duck need the fish. So every 3 hours, if you pick the fish, just distribute to the ducks, they will finish it fast. Which takes 120 days to compost. It will finish within 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and the whole thing will be contained with beautiful eggs. Normally, the ducks will lay only 8 to 10 eggs per month because of feeding all this fish and other non-vegetarian waste regularly, especially fish. And we are getting 24 eggs per month.
ओह, And if I have 20 ducks, then multiplied by.
Yeah, we have 11 into 1. 11 female duck on 1 male duck.
Why 11 female and 1
We
male?
need more eggs. 1 duck is enough to make it.
तो ये जानवर आपके लिए बहुत अहमियत रखते हैं.
They are the people doing excellent work and giving the finest result in this.
तो इस वक्त आप किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं?
Yeah, right now I'm working with Coimbatore, Coimbatore DRDA, District Rural Development Agency. But we are handling with 10 village panchayats together as a block. It's equal to 1 municipality.
एक गांव में तो मैं समझ सकता हूं कि ये हो सकता है, क्योंकि वहां पर छोटे पैमाने पे करना है. लेकिन अगर बड़े पैमाने पे करना है, जैसे किसी शहर में करना है, आपका जो तरीका है, ये मुमकिन है?
Actually, for the municipal corporations, the space is very, very less in the city, inside the city. So we need not to carry this material 100 kilometers away from this town and process it. It can be processed in the own city, it's the own town or in the same ward. That's why it's called decentralized method. If it is
Decentralized
it's
method.
beautiful. People think like a tonnage. Why you should think like a tonnage? If I give you a big jackfruit, such a big jackfruit, you cannot eat that. Yeah, just make it into pieces. Then each and every person can handle it. So every 2 kilometer radius, we have to have the SLRM center,
SLRM सेंटर क्या होता है?
Solid and Liquid Resource Management Center.
तो हर 2 किलोमीटर पे ये सेंटर होना चाहिए.
Yeah, I already told you, decentralized way of waste management is a successful story. Decentralized way of collecting is another issue. For example, saloon generate only 6 type of garbage.
वो क्या है?
One is ladies' hair, gents' hair, blade, paper with cream after shave, then the cosmetic items, inorganic materials, some organic materials like food and some flowers, other things. So we don't want this to be mixed with regular garbage in a regular garbage truck. So one vehicle will be sent only to the saloon. For example, if there in Mumbai we got some 2,000 saloons.
एक गाड़ी सब जगह घूम के ले लेगी.
One vehicle means multiple vehicle
हाँ, अलग-अलग एरिया के लिए अलग-अलग
only for
गाड़ियाँ होंगी.
saloon. Yes, it will be segregated. It can be sold in the end of the day. The highest, the valuable garbage in this world right now is ladies' hair. 2,500 rupees per kg.
वाह वाह. तो दिन भर का जो कचरा है, दिन खत्म होते होते वो इस्तेमाल भी हो जाएगा.
If you collect separately.
तो राज ये है, तरकीब ये है कि शुरुआत से ही मिक्स मत करो.
Yes.
अलग अलग इकट्ठा करो और अलग अलग ही लेकर जाओ. तो आपके पास इसका पूरा प्लान है, मास्टर प्लान है?
Yes.
वाओ वाओ. तो मुझे बताइए कि ये जो आपका मॉडल है, इसमें खर्चा कितना आता है?
See, this is totally self-sustainable model. Based on my field experience, I'm telling you, in municipal corporations, minimum we can recover 3 rupees from people's garbage.
मतलब आप अगर मेरा कचरा लेंगे तो आप मुझे 3 रुपए देंगे.
I will convert into 3 rupees.
3 रुपए में तब्दील कर देंगे, बदल देंगे.
And without any garbage collection fees.
तो मुझे बताइए कि अगर मुंबई जैसे शहर की जिम्मेदारी आपको दी जाए कि इसको आप साफ कर दीजिए, तो आपको कितना समय लगेगा, कितना वक्त लगेगा आपको?
Minimum 18 months.
मतलब 1.5 साल. तो मतलब 1.5 साल में आप मुंबई की काया पलट कर सकते हैं.
Yes, it is possible.
वाह. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया श्रीनिवासन जी, बहुत ही कमाल के सुझाव आपने दिए हैं. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू सो मच.